Hello, come on in. We're staying at the Holiday Inn Express Terminal 5, not that close to Terminal 5 by the way, but we'll give you a quick room tour. So as you come in, you've got your bathroom on your left hand side, which has like a weird blue nightlight, which is quite cool. But in the bathroom, nice full length, well, half length mirror, your sink, big shower, and obviously your toilet. It's a floating toilet, which I never really trust them because I'm
What
scared.
toiletries did you get?
Toiletries, oh, didn't look at toiletries. Sea kelp hand wash, so you'll smell like fish. Jokes. And shower gel as well, and shampoo. And as you come back out, you've got this tiny little area here that's got kettle, cups, tea, coffee, and a bin. Another full-length mirror here with a lovely sign that says don't forget to grab your breakfast because it's free in Holiday Inn Express. You've got a hairdryer. We've got a twin room, so we've got a bed each, so 2 single beds.
By accident.
Yeah, by accident. You've got some hangers up there as well, some extra towels. And you have this nice little desk area.
And TV.
And TV.
No USBs.
No, I've got to plug this side. I don't know about your side.
No.
No plugs. Haha, shame. And then the view, I said it's quite far away from Heathrow. You might not even be able to see this on the camera. I feel like I've gone back this long way, haven't I? If you look very far into the distance, you've got Heathrow Airport Control Tower. And then every now and again a big plane takes off. So yeah, that's the room tour of the Holiday Inn Express here at Heathrow Terminal 5.